What if your design tool actually spoke the same language as your code base? No paywalled inspect panel, no vendor lock-in, no sending your files to someone else's cloud. penpot is the open source design tool that does exactly that, and over 45,000 developers have started on GitHub. penpot is the first open source design and prototyping platform built for cross-domain teams, designers and developers working in the same file. It runs in the browser, it's built on open web standards like SVG, CSS, and HTML, and it's licensed under the Mozilla Public License. That license matters. It means the full source is on GitHub, you can self-host it, and nobody can pull the rug out from under your workflow. Here's the first thing that makes developers pay attention. As of penpot 2.0, design tokens are native, built right into the tool. No Token Studio plugin, no third-party bridge. Your colors, your spacing, your typography all live as tokens that act as a single source of truth. Change a token once, and it updates everywhere across your design system. And those same values map cleanly to the variables in your code. For teams building a real design system, that's the difference between a static mockup and a living spec. Designers and developers finally share one source of truth instead of arguing over hex codes in a handoff doc. Now the part developers really care about, penpot's dev mode is completely free. Click any element and you get actual, copy-paste ready CSS, not approximations. You get SVG, you get HTML, you get real measurements, all at zero cost. Compare that to Figma, which paywalls dev mode behind a paid organization plan. And because penpot supports native CSS Grid and Flex layout, designers build the exact layout you're going to ship. As one user put it, I can design the exact grid I'll build without using a plugin. Because penpot is open source, you can run the entire thing on your own infrastructure. Grab the official Docker Compose file, bring up the stack, and you've got Postgres, Redis, the backend, the exporter, and the frontend all running locally. Your design data never leaves your servers. Let me show you how little it takes. And here's the 2026 headline. penpot now ships an official MCP server, the Model Context Protocol, right inside the main repo. That means AI clients like Claude Code, Cursor, and Claude Desktop can read and modify your penpot design files programmatically. Your designs become machine-readable and AI actionable. An agent can inspect a component, pull its tokens, and generate the matching front-end code, all through a standard protocol. Design to code stops being a handoff and starts being a conversation. You describe a change in plain language, the agent reads the design, and the code follows. That's a workflow no closed-source tool can match, because the file format and the protocol are both open. Let's actually look at it. This is penpot.app, the hosted version you can try right now for free. Clean landing, jump straight into a workspace, and everything we just talked about, the tokens, the layouts, the code inspection, is right there in the browser with nothing to install. If you're tired of paywalled features and vendor lock-in, penpot is the most serious open source answer yet. It's free, it speaks real code, and you own your data. Check out the repo, give it a star, and let us know if you'd make the switch. Thanks for watching Prism Labs.